Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm Yogender, and in today's video my discussion topic will be around generative AI and how this will impact and can be leveraged by various enterprise analytics and AI teams. To start with, I'll just give a quick snapshot of what is generative AI and why this has been getting a lot of attention in the past few months. Now, by definition, generative AI is a branch of computer science which leverages algorithms such as unsupervised or even semi-supervised learning to generate new content based on the previously ingested content such as images, text, or even videos. Now, the most famous example that we have seen recently has been ChatGPT, I think, which we have all loved and used a lot. And this belongs to OpenAI, in which Microsoft has a substantial investment. Now, ChatGPT is built upon GPT 3.5 family of large language models, or LLMs as we call them, and this is one initiative in the industry. Along with them, Google Brain has also invested a lot in this area, and Meta also has been launching new platforms in this area. Now, having said this, I think we have seen a lot of enterprise use cases such as enterprise content management, generating new code, as well as even product design. But the challenge is that along with this, we also have seen some downside, which is that this can contain a lot of biases, and also this it's not something which is explainable as well. Now, the questions which the chief data officers or the chief analytics officers have been getting recently by their stakeholders have been that how can they leverage generative AI into their workflow and how this can make their lives easier. Now, while there are no easy answers because it's a new technology and it's hasn't been tested a lot, in my view, I think there are about three ways that enterprise teams can leverage this or these technologies in the best possible way. Now, the first way is that, or what I call is, which is testing the water space, which means that the enterprise analytics teams can just start quickly by integrating, let's say, an API of ChatGPT and figure out some quick use case such as data management, where they can use this for data augmentation or even answering basic questions around their data. And I think once they see some good use cases coming up and some good adoption, that's when they can figure out how they can scale this effort. The next way is what I call as doing nothing approach, which means that the teams can choose not to do anything right now and see how the competition is really leveraging these technologies. And I think once they see some good ROI, that's when they can take the next steps. The third way is where these enterprise teams can leverage generative AI through the third-party platforms which they're using. Now, a lot of these teams are now leveraging platforms around data management or dashboarding or even no-code data science tools. And at some level, I think these platforms would be integrating some technologies of generative AI into their workflow or their product. I think that's when the enterprise teams can really unleash and leverage these technologies in the best possible way. Now, these are three ways which come to my mind right now. I'm sure there must be more ways and more methods on how this can be leveraged. And I would love to hear from you on what are your thoughts. And please feel free to put in your comments. I really hope you found this video useful and thank you so much for watching.